So this was a little challenging plumbing work. First of all, the water main, I couldn't find the valve at the water meter to shut it off. I dug and dug and dug and had to call the city. It's right down there. I didn't reach that far, but with all the rocks in there and such, it was a little challenging. So city shut it off today. And what I had to do with this baby, because the old 3/4 inch female water main valve was just really stuck on. So I had to cut off a little above the valve and cut off the sweated on copper. This is a new one. So sweated on new copper 3/4 inch there. It's a male screwing into the female, both sides ends of the 3/4 inch valve. 3/4 inch connector here, PVC. Had to put on there. That water's from this leaking water hose. So got that on there with plenty of Teflon tape. Glued it on there, cut it appropriate size, and used this Union coupler compression fitting, which is nice because there's no play in the below PVC. So that worked quite well, and that's schedule 40 right there. So it looks good from what I can tell. All right, that's done. It took a while.